In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Squarespace website without going live, so you can redesign pages, test changes, and work on your site safely before anyone sees the updates. This is one of the best ways to avoid mistakes on a live website, especially if you're making big design changes, rewriting content, or building a new layout from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and website tutorials. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Website, then click Pages. This is where all of your site pages are managed, including the ones that are in your main navigation and the ones that are hidden from your menu. Now find the page you want to redesign, hover over that page, and you'll see a small gear icon appear. Click the gear icon to open the page settings. From there, choose Duplicate Page. This is the key step because instead of editing the live version directly, you're creating a copy of that page that you can safely work on behind the scenes. Squarespace will ask you to confirm the duplication, so go ahead and approve it. Once you do that, Squarespace automatically places the cloned page into your not linked section. That means the duplicated page is not part of your main navigation and regular visitors won't be able to access it through your menu. This is exactly what makes this method so useful. You can completely redesign the page, change text, swap images, adjust sections, test new layouts, and make updates over several hours or even several days without affecting the live version of your site. Your audience will keep seeing the original page while you work privately on the duplicate. Next, open the duplicated page from the not linked section. Once it opens, click Edit just like you normally would. From here, you can start making all of your changes safely. You can move sections around, update headings, rewrite your copy, change buttons, and adjust the design until everything looks exactly how you want it. If you're working on a big redesign, this is especially helpful because you don't have to rush. You can save your progress, come back later, and continue editing without worrying that unfinished work will appear on the live site. That gives you a lot more control and a much more professional workflow. Another benefit of duplicating the page is that it helps you compare the original and the new version side by side. If you want to test which layout looks better or which wording converts more visitors, you can keep the live page untouched while experimenting on the copy. That makes it much easier to make smart design decisions before publishing anything. Once you're completely happy with the changes, you can decide when to replace the live page or publish the updated version, depending on how you want to manage your Squarespace site. Until then, your edits stay hidden and private. That means no accidental changes, no half-finished pages visible to customers, and no stress while you build. So, to quickly recap, go to Website, then Pages, hover over the page you want to redesign, click the gear icon, duplicate the page, confirm it, and then edit the copy inside Not Linked. That's the simplest way to edit your Squarespace website without going live. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.